Guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI weeks that I use for work, and this week I'm already a little bit into vacation mode, so I'm going to be using the Serenity stickers from Let's Plan It. So I'll be using some of her supplemental stickers, and then I'll be bringing in actually some of these florals from an older Happy Planner sticker book just to add in some extra deco. Let's get started. The thing I'm actually going to do is take my Sailor Pro Gear Slim as well as my Pelican 140 and then write the days of the week on the side. And the ink that is currently in here is Sailor Yurameku Kitsune Biyori, and I love this color. It's such a pretty brown. You don't hear that often, saying that brown is pretty, but it is. And then in my Pelican 140, I have Herbon Vert Degree. And I think these two are just such great colors that will match so well with this kit. So then the first thing I'm going to do is actually take... Oh, I love this. Let's see, how big is that? I'm going to take, really can I take that big one and place it down there? If not, that's okay. I'm going to take this blue one and place it here. And then place, I like this one, nothing, leave nothing but that. But then I'm going to add a floral. Let's see, let's add this one because it's the last one on that sticker sheet, and then just add that. So simple but so pretty. So finished sticker sheet, and then I'm going to add this one up at the top right here. Really pretty. I almost feel like I'm gonna add this down this side, making sure that it is straight. Oh, I love that already. So simple, but so pretty. And then probably just, I think I'm going to try and keep the rest pretty simple because I will need the rest of this for my cousin spread. So actually I'm going to keep it very simple like that. Maybe I'll add in a few more of these little florals and maybe just one of these down at the bottom. And these little florals here. And there, and I just think that that is so cute. So I'm going to put these to the side, and then I'm going to go ahead and write in my meetings and my to-do lists. There is my overall finished spread. So simple. It literally took me less than 5 minutes to decorate and put in all my meetings, but then I smudged. Oh well. But that is it for me. I'm really looking forward to this very short week, and then I'm on vacation. So there won't be a HOBONICHI weeks planned with me after this week, because if I'm not using this week because I'll be on vacation, why decorate? Again, that is it for me. If you guys have any questions about this kit, this is the Serenity kit from Let's Plan It. She's another Canadian shop who I love supporting. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.